Welcome to the latest edition of Hematology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Novartis presented 144-week ASC4 first Phase 3 data in newly diagnosed Ph-positive chronic myeloid leukemia in chronic phase. Scemblix, also known as asciminib, demonstrated higher major molecular response rates than investigator-selected tyrosine kinase inhibitors, including imatinib and second-generation TKIs. The findings provide additional long-term evidence supporting its use in frontline CML treatment. Mission Bio and academic collaborators reported a retrospective single-cell analysis from the Phase 2 BLAST AML trial. The study identified CXCR4 high residual leukemic cells as a potential predictive biomarker for response to motixafortide. While the findings are hypothesis-generating, they may contribute to future patient selection strategies and minimal residual disease assessment approaches. Bristol Myers Squibb announced European Commission approval of Opdivo, or nivolumab, in combination with AVD for previously untreated stage 3 or 4 classical Hodgkin lymphoma. The expanded indication covers adults and adolescents aged 12 years and older and represents an important regulatory milestone in frontline lymphoma care. Cellectar Biosciences reported updated CLOVER-WaM Phase 2 data in post-BTK inhibitor relapsed or refractory Waldenstrom macroglobulinemia. Iopofosine I-131 achieved a 79.2% major response rate and a median duration of response of 16 months in the analyzed subset, supporting continued development in this treatment setting. Horizon presented EHA 2026 updates for Iadademstat-based combinations in acute myeloid leukemia. In the ALICE-2 study, investigators reported a 100% overall response rate among 18 evaluable first-line AML patients. In the FRIDA study, a 67% composite complete remission rate was reported among 18 evaluable patients with FLT3 mutated relapsed or refractory AML. C4 Therapeutics shared Phase 1 results for Cemsidomide plus dexamethasone in heavily pretreated relapsed or refractory multiple myeloma. At the recommended Phase 2 dose of 100 micrograms, the regimen achieved a 53% overall response rate, including complete responses and measurable residual disease-negative outcomes. Genmab presented post-hoc subgroup findings from the Phase 3 Epcor-FL1 trial in relapsed or refractory follicular lymphoma. Epcoritamab, combined with rituximab and lenalidomide, demonstrated consistent progression-free survival benefit and manageable safety across multiple patient risk groups. TCURX received Swissmedic approval to initiate a first-in-human Phase 1 study of TCX001, a non-viral autologous Siglec-6 CAR-T therapy for relapsed or refractory acute myeloid leukemia and chronic lymphocytic leukemia. The trial is expected to enroll up to 23 adult patients and marks an important advancement for non-viral CAR-T development. Stay ahead in hematology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.